Hey friends, if we dissolve sugar and put baking soda in it, it will turn into chocolate. But this boy does not believe this video at all, so this boy also immediately dissolves sugar in a pan and puts baking soda in it. Now it remains to be seen whether this trick really works or not, but before seeing that, on one side there is our papa, and on the other side there is liquor. So which one will you guys like? Only those people who like papa like me will like this video and subscribe to the channel, and see, in this way, after liking and subscribing to the video, click on the remix option and type on use this sound. Then some magic will happen, which looks very good.